Today we're going to be checking out BCA's washdown rated case packer for sealed trays. Here we have BCA's washdown rated case packer. In general, this system will accept any pre-formed case. Cases will index into the system. A Delta-style robot will pick sealed trays of meat in a desired array, place them into the case before being sealed at the end. And now for a more detailed explanation of this system. Pre-formed cases are accumulated on the in-feed conveyor where they wait at a pneumatic pusher. This pneumatic pusher will wait for a spot on our indexing conveyor before pushing a case into the system. Our washdown rated case packers feature fully polished frames, stainless steel wire mesh guarding, Allen Bradley fully interlocked doors, all necessary for high sanitary washdown environments. Our enclosures are custom built here in-house and are NEMA 4X rated to house our FANUC controller, as well as our Allen Bradley compact logic PLCs. This case packer features a FANUC DR3 IP69K rated robot necessary for longer reach and higher payloads. To ensure accurate case tracking, this system uses a servo-driven lug conveyor. Now let's go check out the other side. Trays enter the system at a rate upwards of 80 per minute. This particular application did not require a vision system, so utilizing a series of photoelectric sensors in combination with an encoder on the conveyor, we're able to leverage FANUC's IR pick tool to accurately track, pick, and place these trays into the case. This end-of-arm tool also features a quick change tool adapter, which I will show you now. On our interactive HMI screen, we can move the robot to a maintenance position. Simply unplug your pneumatics and release the tool. To change out the tool, simply put in your tool changer, lock the device, match up your pneumatics. Simple as that. Now that our tool is changed, lock the system, reset. Now if you come over to our HMI and our recipe selection screen, and the system is ready for action.